Hello, this is Fred, your friendly neighborhood realtor here in Orlando, Florida, theme park capital of the world. We're going to look at today the mortgage interest rates update for the week ending April 26, 2024. All right, for those of y'all that have been watching the mortgage, maybe you've been hoping it was going to go down so that you could purchase that home. Well, the good news didn't come out this week. It's actually more bad news. Inflation, they looked at the core inflation numbers come out for March, higher than they wanted. So they were kind of where they expected it, but it was higher where the Fed wants it to be. Once the Fed kind of sees those numbers in control, they're going to drop the prime rate, which is going to help soften your mortgage rates as well. Now, to give you an idea, I had a little bit of trouble finding some of the numbers, but bankrate.com, 30-year fixed, it's up 4 basis points to 7.3%. Basically, that is going to cost you $886 per $100,000 of loan value, which they say is up about $2.72 from last week. And there are actually some sites saying that the average up is about for the week is 7.67%. Where that comes from is different ones look at different key numbers to try to figure out what the average is. Right now, though, we're getting close to that midway point where when they started doing keeping the mortgage rate numbers back in 1972, that was in the high sevens, and we're getting there. So hopefully we don't get any higher. We'll wait and see. A lot's going to depend on the inflationary numbers. They are saying that they're pushing back, decreasing the prime rate. The Fed is. They're going to have a meeting coming up, so we'll see what they say. But some of the indications I was seeing this week, I was reading, they're down to now saying there's just going to be one decrease in interest rates this year. So if that happens, it's going to be later in the year. So we're going to have to wait and see where it's going to be. But I think your high interest rates are going to be here for a little while. Now, back to the interest rate numbers. The 15-year fixed, 6.71%, which they say is up 1 basis point, which, okay, not a whole lot, not too bad. That $100,000 or each $100,000 is going to cost you $886 per $100,000. Now, I like the 15-year mortgage. I like it because you build equity faster and you also save thousands on your mortgage cost over the years. So if you can do a 15-year, I would highly recommend it. I understand not everybody can 30 years where you got to be. Now, some people want to go with the 5/1 ARM, adjustable rate mortgage. It's going to lock that first 5 years is going to be at 6.78%. That's up 4 basis points from the week before. So basically they're saying right now at that, it's going to cost you $651. But remember, we've been looking at the ARMs before when we look at the APRs, annual percentage rate versus the interest rate. Your annual percentage rate is more close to the true cost that you're going to be paying because it's going to have cost in there that you throw back into your mortgage. The adjustable rate mortgage has the APR usually a lot higher than some of the other ones do. So keep an eye on those ARMs if you feel like that's the program you want to go for. Now, we were, once again, I said we had a little trouble finding some of the numbers. I had to do a little digging for the FHA and VA numbers for the 30-year fixed. There was one site I came across that basically said they're both at 7.32%. Now, to give you an idea, though, what that's going to cost for the VA, it's $687 per $100,000 of loan value. Now, that is going to be a little bit higher than the FHA because remember, VA does 0% down, which is good because it lets a homeowner or a service member get in there for as little cost as possible, but you're going to pay for it each month. FHA, $666 per $100,000. People are still buying and people are still selling. Life events occur and people have to do different things. So if you're looking to buy, we'll be glad to work with you. We'll be glad to help you out, help you find that mortgage person. We have some that can get you the programs that are going to be best for you. Then we'll find that home for you that they say that you can afford comfortably so that you can be happy for the years to come. If you're looking to sell, one of the key things is if you want to sell, especially quickly, and also for the most money, you need to do a good market analysis. We'll be glad to do one of those for you. Let you exactly see what's going on with the market out there, what the homes have sold for, and also what homes have expired and what homes are currently on the market right now, so you can see what your competition is. We'll do that for you for free, let you know, so that you can try to make the best decision for you on whether you want to sell or not, and also we'll be glad to help you sell, show you what we can do for your marketing. Now, either way, buying and selling, our contact information is below. While you're there, make sure you click like, subscribe, and also the bell notification so you get notified when we produce new videos each and every week. Thank you and have a good day.